everyone, it's my birthday.
Thank you. You too. Okay. Y'all, my daughter's toy, my baby toy is up under my seat. And I don't know what triggered it to make it start making, to press it. I mean, start making it make noise. But it keep doing it. And yeah, let me go ahead and try my drink. Okay, so I got the new boba drink, whatever you call it. I thought you're supposed to get this. Anyways, yeah, I'm on my. But yeah, okay, so now I'm on my way to work, and they don't have the other kind of top, you know, the wide mouth top. So I just got that just in case, because I know that boba straw is not gonna be able to go through it. Oh yeah, because his light about to change. Yeah, that was it. Hold on, yeah. Yeah, I'm getting refused. Remember, it had closed up. What's up? Okay, I think you can see me now.
30-day trial before I made my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back. Before I take back my time and make you pay.
All right, y'all. I got my nut. I know y'all probably can't hear me because when I was, oh, y'all can hear me, but y'all know y'all hear the air. But y'all, it is 100 degrees out here, so this air got to blow. But I got my Venus pass. I'm so freaking excited. Let's see, I'm at a stop. Yay! And I gotta make sure if I have to pay them money for him to, yeah, I really want to go home and change clothes. I think I am. I think I'm gonna put back on that outfit that I took my pictures in yesterday. I know it's hot in jeans, but I don't think I want to wear this today. I want to be comfortable, and I'm not comfortable right now, so I think I'm about to go home and change clothes too. Come on now. Can I go? Ooh, are you coming first? Oh, you in that line, so you better. What you trying to do? You better stay over there. So I will hit you. Okay, yeah, so okay, I need to get from right here because this is kind of hectic for me to be parked at. Okay, so yeah, I picked up my tropical smoothie, my free tropical smoothie, and I got the kiwi quencher. Oh yeah, this is good. And you guys, I got my chroma cookie. I just got the birthday cake because for one, I love birthday cake, y'all. I love birthday cake anything. So this is how the cookie look. I just got the birthday cake. Oh, it's so big. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat it. But I'm thinking about I don't want it now. I don't know why, but let me put it down here on the floor, cause I don't want it to slide and fall. So now let me cross that. What is wrong with you? Okay, so now let me go to, girl, what is wrong with you? Okay, yeah, so I did like a little Notion. This is my Notion app for my content creative ideas, my content ideas. So I put birthday vlog, and then I just have notes on what to include in the vlog. So basically for my birthday vlog, I put down all the places that I want to go. So I already went to Starbucks and Trappist Deli. Now I'm about to cross off Chroma Cookie and what's the other one I just went to? Tropical Smoothie Cafe wasn't even on here, so I'm gonna add them on here. So this way help make me keep up with my birthday stuff too, for next year. So I'm adding this and crossing it off because I didn't have this on this list. So next up, I think I'm finna go to this sandwich spot. Well, now I think I'm about to head to the mall area, East Chase. Okay guys, I got my Pandora. Let me tell you about them. I'm gonna write them too and write them a review. Okay y'all, so if y'all don't know, Pandora just recently started a rewards program with the you get the silver, no, the pink, silver, and the gold. Pink, I don't think you get anything just yet. I don't think so. I don't know. And then they got the silver level, and you get 10% off birthday treat available at silver level. Okay y'all, so that's why they didn't send it to me, because I signed up for the rewards program. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have signed up for the rewards program. But the rewards program seems like it's, you know, it's gonna be good because you know, I spent a lot of money in here, so it's like $1 for every rewards. And then once you can get 15% off once you become a gold level. So I was in there. I asked them, I was like, do y'all not do the rewards? Because I didn't see none of that on there. So she had went to it. I asked her for, I said, y'all don't do the rewards program anymore? And she said she can look into my account and see it. So she looked at it and she didn't see it. She was like, do you have your birthday on there? I said yes, because I normally will receive it. So I went back to my email for when I received it last year, and I was like, okay, here it goes. She's like, sign into your account. So she signed into my account, and when I signed into my account, she went down and she saw that it has to be on the gold level. Well, I haven't bought anything since I became a member of the rewards program, therefore no points has been accrued. I don't have any points. So I was like, are you serious? So she was like, I want you to get your rewards, you know, for your birthday. And so she did a little 1-2 and she gave me a little discount. I was like, oh, thank you so much. And it was a lot taken off. So oh yeah, do I want to unbox this here? I ain't gonna unbox it, but I'm gonna show y'all guys. So I got a cross. Hold on. It's just a regular cross. It's keep turning, y'all, but it's just a regular. That would be somebody's car. And then I got this balloons, and it says happy birthday. So I got this too. And then I just got this pink little ball. And
you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Later, but it's not.
This time doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, so boy, pick up your line. I ain't too proud to babe. So what's been said has been said. And I need you to know you don't know what love is. And I need you to know you don't know. And you don't know what love is. If you don't put up a fight, you don't know what love is. If you don't stay up all night, you don't know what love is. If you too good for.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to the beach, y'all. It is so freaking hot out here. Oh, look at that, y'all. Somebody asking somebody to marry them. Oh, y'all can't see it. Oh, wow. But yeah, it is so freaking hot. When I say it's hot, it's hot. I got this tent. I'm so glad my co-worker told me to get this. Look, y'all. Lele, say hey. But yeah, we at the beach. Uh-oh.
Cause you just get me, yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie.
Oh, and we gotta go take this one. We're gonna get a camera. I like this. Hey y'all. We in the beach.
Ooh.
Look at us.
High volume. High volume.
You can go ahead, you get some of my cups. Hey, get out the way. Get out the way, Asia. There you go.
What's my what's this?
Hey, you went flying in the spur. Hey, you went dry around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went a Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want water all my hole. Oh, you want to line it all up. Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not a pill. Hey, you want to spill and I spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Rolls Royce still Uncle Phil. Yeah. Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took the little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M's. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch. Oh, you went ding dong. Oh, you went kingpin. Oh, you went wings in. Oh, you went hands on. Oh, you ain't seen it. Oh, you ain't demon. Shoot out the demon. Man. Oh, you ain't king. Yeah. That ain't stream. Yeah. Hey, you went flying in the spur. Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck.
You had
oh, you went
me too, baby. I got my kids on the beach. Y'all say hey. What? Oh,
Everybody show their board what they were.
okay, come on.
This verse starts as my snipers hit the marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like flat, flat. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be.
Yeah, they nicked my concert.
$10 for
Say hey, Lily. Say hey.
I don't know. I've seen some posts online. Hey, I just need something to walk in and walk out. I want to get 50,000.
I'm caught up in the middle of a two-way love affair. I'm caught up in the middle of a two-way love affair.
You know you doing that shit on purpose, baby. That pussy.
Hey, you went flying in the spur. Hey, you went drive around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting down.
Okay, go.
Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want water all my home. Oh, you want light all up. Hey, I'm gonna tell you how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the skill. Hey, I'm in the field on the field. Hey, you want steal in the spill. Hey, you want real niggas. Rolls Royce steal on the field. Yeah. Oh, you went top off. Oh, you went Flintstones. Oh, you took the little roller off. Oh, you went big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra M's. Oh, you went ringtones. Oh, you went train on that bitch.
Hey guys, I haven't been on here in a very long time talking to you guys because your girl has been chilling and relaxing. As you can see, I am laying down. I'm in my tent and we just chilling, y'all. It feels so good out here. Like, I wish I can come to the beach all the time, every day. It's just so relaxing, yeah. But yeah, so I'm just coming in just to show you guys. I know, look at y'all, this is not a trip where it's time to get all beauty and dressed up. This is a trip where it's all about relaxation and just chill, guys. But that's all we've been doing. It's just coming to the beach and relaxing. So I just came to check in with you guys. I